Welcome to Scrape Genius, how to get MSME company records. First, complete the initial steps by loading the states. Select any state, then select the district. Now select the start date. Remember, you can't select the end date manually. Click the Add button. It will add your query to the query list. Now simply click the Start button to begin the process. In a few minutes, you will get your records. Now, as you can see here, the website, emails, and phone are empty. To extract these details, click the Deep Extractor button. In a short time, you'll start getting these details. Once the process is done, you can review your results or download the CSV file and export the results to Google Drive. Thank you for watching.